Hey, what's up guys, NT77 here, and I'm back with another video. I know my backdrop's kind of messy because, well, I just didn't feel like cleaning it up from the last few videos. But today I have another magic trick. This was a cool one, even though it's really small. So I first have 8 cards, kings and the queens. So since I don't have an audience member here, I'm just going to think of a card myself, but they would think of one, not me. So let's say the queen of hearts for this. So then we do this. So the audience member actually is the only one that would know their card, not me yet. Then the audience member would just see this too, not me. But I would ask them, is their card in here? And then they would say yes, because it's right here. So I do this. And today is a performance and a tutorial on this one. So it might be a bit longer than the usual video. So then, again, we have more cards, and we asked, is there a card on this one? They would say no. So then we do it one last time. In jogging, out jogging, in jogging. And then we roll these out. And then we ask for the last time, is your card in here? And since it is, we say yeah. They say yes. So then we do this. So then this is where the card trick works out itself. So we can do this. So now, was the card a king or a queen? It was a queen. That is right. And now, was the card red or black? It was red. That is right. And is the card a diamond or a heart? It is a heart, so that means it's the queen of hearts. So that was the performance. Now let's get straight into the, whatever you call it, tutorial. So first, you need to have all the kings and all the queens. There's a bit of a setup to this, actually. You need to put the cards in chased order. So that means clubs, then hearts, then spades, then diamonds. And then we do it again with the queens. And then we go clubs, then hearts, then spades, then diamonds. So then that's the only setup to this trick, is that. So then you ask your audience member to pick a card. This time let's make it the king of spades. So say it was the king of spades. So then we put this, and then we do some in jogging and out jogging. It's when you put a card down, then you put a card up, and then you put a card down, and then up, and you keep on doing that until all the cards are shuffled, kinda. Then you ask, is your card in here? To the person. You wouldn't look at it yourself. You would just show it to your audience member. So then if it's a yes, then you put it on top. If it's a no, you put it on the bottom. Since it's a no, we'll put this on the bottom. So then we do the in jogging, out jogging thing again. So once you're done, you can just swirl it out. And then you ask, is it in here? So since it's a yes, so because it's the king of spades, you put it on the bottom this time. For the second time, if it's a yes, we put it on the bottom. If it's a no, we put it on the top. So I'll put this one on the bottom because it's a yes. And then we do it a third and final time. So now that this is out, we ask it one more time. Is your card in this? So since the king of spades is not here, if it's a no, it's on the bottom. If it's a yes, it's on the top. Since it was a no, it goes here. And then that's it for the in jogging, out jogging part. That part, once you get it, is not confusing at all. It's like super easy. So then, this part is where the trick works out itself. You just deal from left to right to left to right to left to right to left to right. And then you pretend the cards are like speaking to you. Was that person's card a king or a queen? It was a king. And then we do this again. Was that person's card red or black? And it was black. And then one last time, was it a club or was it a spade? It was a spade. That means it's the king of spades. So that is the tutorial on this. And I'll show you one more, you guys, how to do it one more time in specific, I don't know how to say that, specific details. So if you want to know what chased is, it's, again, clubs, then you have hearts, then you have spades, and then you have diamonds. So that's chased order. You can pause to remember what chased order is right here. And then you do it again with the queen. So we do the clubs, we do hearts, we do spades, and we do diamonds. So that's the setup for the trick. That's all you need to do to set up the trick. Then you ask the audience member, again, to pick a card and not tell us. So say this time the King of Hearts. So King of Hearts. So you don't have to watch this part of the video if you got the first part, but I'm just explaining it in really fine details. Then in jogging and out jogging is what you call this. So you put a card down, card up, a card down, and you're holding it straight in the middle like this with this finger. And then once you get too far, you can start holding it with your next finger, and then you can start holding it all the way to like all your fingers. Then you just pull out the top four. And then you ask them, is their card in here? And since they say yes, it goes on the top. This is just for the first rounds. If it's a yes, you put it on the top. If it's a no, you put it on the bottom. But since it's a yes for us, we put it on the top. So then we do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then see how I'm holding it with these fingers because I don't want to push them all in. And then also I want to show you this if you are still watching. You can do this cool trick where you roll them out, and it's a lot easier, and it looks way cooler. So then you ask again, is their card in here? And since it's a no, their card is not in here, we put it to the top. If it's a no, you put it on the top for the second round. If it's a yes, you put it on the bottom. So it's on the top. Then we do it one last time. So you do this 3 times with different rules each time. So now we can do that cool trick again, like this. Now you have 4 cards. You ask it again. Is your card in here? Since it's a no, it goes to the bottom. If it's a yes, it goes to the top for the third and final round. So now that the trick's all ready, the cards are in order. The only thing you have to remember is deal left to right, to left to right, to left to right, to left to right. So now that it's on the right, we flip that up. Is it a king or a queen? First you ask. And since it was a king, there's the king. Then we go left to right to left to right. Was it red or was it black? It was red, so it's red there. And was it a diamond or was it a heart? It was a heart, so that means the King of Hearts is their card. They'll be like so blown away by this trick. It's a really cool trick. I really like this one. It's one of my personal favorites. I think it's just a really, really good trick. And I just like it. So goodbye. Hope you will like this video. This was my first time doing a performance and a tutorial. So I think this video went really well. So goodbye.